Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to open this real quick because it's best if you do this on camera. Anything you get in the mail, open on camera so that you have proof if there's a problem that it arrived like that. Now let me make sure. I about to crawl in these to see if there's more. I ordered some things on AliExpress. And they all came at once. I ordered in like a 2-week span, and they all came at once. Oh yeah, and I got a new doll. Looks like they used a used package, doesn't it? I got some new dolls. I got some Integrity dolls. 2 of them. Wish I had got the 3rd redhead that Dory said I needed. Okay, oh, this might be cute. It's going to be too short for an Integrity doll. We'll see. It's a little top and a little skirt. How cute is that? And then this, I believe, is for me. And I will wear this to the BlytheCon on November 5th in New Jersey because it's going to be cold. Last year I wore kind of a nice outfit, and then you got a flash at the work behind. It's my work area.
It's like a bull in a china cabinet.
I am. Anyway, last year I dressed kind of nice, and then I got so cold. I had carried my hoodie and long jeans with me, leggings. Oh my God, I love that. Love that. So I got a long sleeve. These are, oh, I love that. These are Kinners. Oh, I love those little dresses. That is the cutest. Speaking of Kinners, I want to show you what Darren did.
And look at the dress you have.
Oh, this was made by Joni at Stop Motion Creations. If you don't watch Joni's channel, you will want to see it. She made this. I actually opened this in Florida. Daisy has changed clothes twice, but it's so perfect. I'm going to pull her out of the stand. The stand kind of holds it funny. Isn't that adorable? Little buttons. Love it. I love this.
But look at how well it matches the outfits.
Oh, I see what you're saying now.
It is a cute dress.
It's a darling dress.
I just thought it was ironic.
You know what?
How well it matches.
I might have to talk to Joni. Oh my God. Yeah, look at that. Oh, and I have Kinners. And that's what I was going to say. I bought this Kinner case. It was missing a drawer. I was not worried because Darren has a 3D printer and is a genius. I want to be very careful. I have my Kinner girl in here. I'm going to give you a peek at her because I'm so proud of her. Oh, I just love her. Darren made her little shoes. Of course, she came without them after all these years. This is a Kinner dress. This is a Kinner cape. And they sent me a hanger with that too, 2 hangers. This is on one of the outfits. Now, I knew it had that when I bought it, but as you can see, it is a Kinner 51, almost 52-year-old. Can you believe it's September? I just can't. And then I made this little dress. I'm pretty proud of it. I should have brought down the original. I wasn't planning on showing it, though. I did this I have this little dress for my Kinners. It's 2 pieces, and it snaps together. Let's see that little snap. And then on the other side, you put this on, and you tuck that under and snap it at the neck. This is very fine, thin, scarf-like fabric. So I'm going to be careful. Then you tuck this around them and tie it. And it has this big collar. And I made this reminiscent of the Kinner outfit. Okay, so this didn't have a drawer. And Darren took measurements and, okay. Oh, it really is perfect. And I like this. Did you look that up?
No, I just figured you
that's-
needed a way to get into it.
That's how they did the Barbies. Now I'll have to go look at the Kinner because they were done a couple ways, and he asked me which way I wanted it done. I'm thrilled. Absolutely thrilled. In fact, I'm going to take her little shoes and put them in the drawer. Because Dory tells me, Dory's Dollies, who knows all about dolls, that you shouldn't store a Blythe doll on a stand because their bodies were not made to be standing 50 years later. And with the weight of the head pushing down, that's how those Kinner bodies get broken. This was the little outfit she came with. And so that's my Kinner drawer, and I could not be more excited. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. And Joni, can you even believe how close that is? Oh, this dress is going to the BlytheCon. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.